Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai back with another problem. This is pretty easy one from JEE 2023. Sometimes students we have to pick up the easiest question in any exam and at that time we will do well, and this is one of the very easy problems. The problem goes like this. The distance traveled by an object in time t is given by s is equal to 2.5 t square. The instantaneous speed of the object at t is equal to 5 seconds will be. Pretty straightforward. So what is given? S is equal to 2.5 t square. We need to just differentiate because velocity is change in displacement over time, right? So it is 2.5 into 2 times t. So this would be 5t, right? And what is asked? V at 5 seconds, right? So just substitute, instead of t, substitute 5, and this would be 25 meters per second. That would be the answer. Pretty easy, top-notch easy question, and this is very much required for you to identify this in the exam. Okay, don't become a great saying that I will solve the toughest problem first. No, first solve the easiest problem. When you solve the easier problem, you will get a lot of confidence, and this confidence will translate into solving tougher problems as well. It is like a warm-up. First you do the warm-up, and because of the warm-up you will get more importance, okay, or you will get more answers right. Okay, thank you very much students. Best of luck. Happy learning.